How to send blank messages on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of 1-2 Step. If you're also trying to send in blank or empty messages on your Facebook Messenger, let me show you how it's done. Now before I move on and show you, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. Now there is no option within the Messenger app to send in these blank messages. For that, you'll need to open up your web browsers and search for a blank message. This way it's going to open up plenty of websites from where you can copy in these blank messages. You can just tap open any of these websites. For this video, I'm going to use blanktext.net. If you scroll down from here, you just need to tap on copy and this blank text will be copied to your clipboard. Once the blank text has been copied, now you can head over to your Messenger app and open up the chat and then just paste in the blank text that you just copied into the chat. Once the text has been pasted, you can now send it and the blank text will be immediately sent. As you can see, it has been sent. If this website is not working for you, head back and choose any other website, which should also be pretty much the same. You just need to copy in the blank text and paste it to send it to anyone on Messenger. So that's all it takes to send blank messages on Messenger. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.